Ilichapun mo kurum jari. Ay sismaina video ka thado ka tawda basi kaya tawda bane do. Kuji kaino tano do sabi mo do amana tawra me de amana tawo mo do smaina kaino munir ka da yu ngauraga mi na fu da black and blue and fu da le local people na kain tawraga sum tok ta ba thok do kama da kadai de sagal ino ma tawraga photo ka tawra sala ya bra ke ma tawraga sandore toknga ni oi da ba pa da ba ngamba election matam da so dum tongnari ni nupi ohum lo liga na nupi ohum ni maming ga pb adagi jat kaino university ge tanthokra bani ga na haining ba da haiba adu mama tawbani adugi type ta si inong no bu dina se politics they are ga dia halaman sing on the high school yam point tholaka ne so one should be ready koi ko ai ke su kai de ma pakatan to do I am perfectly all right I just meeting taw ye ko ge manipur masam am sida phami ye mamanga moina har pring dong smain ho jing message am thare de ge ko ge nupi na su hai re ba de ge aina chatlaga clarify tong no to the talk so na changat pane na mam I am perfectly su talk ta bam da taw se hujite social media I see na tin oi da ma ngang chalaga taw ma se aina sum khan ba da Nasaigi Manipur wo thugaina ba silakpa sectarian oiba ideology the communal oiba mindset am da tawraga sidai the minority right ki maming ama tawraga Manipur da thugaina ba onaraba kangbu moi gi mayok ta ngang bagi gari daga moi na tawgi ba igi da thugai ko kai na tawrakhi ba mon singna rakhi ba ade kangbu na Delhi na pham ama tawraga masigi mayok ta ngang bagi shouting da oida pa da lamchat chajat taxi khasi kai da da phajara ni ngai na da thumai te me na ga mami ngi ga su yok sul tan tawai ba maya sugumba Manipur gi yekna ba hai tare Manipur gi adagi akhoi gi khunai gi yekna ba hauna lo chat khang da ba kangbu khoi gi marakta makhoi gi Delhi gi dictator chat du yaning da ba gi ngang ba gi shaw na intan na ngang Facebook da thadok na ngang li ba kangbu amadi Manipur thugai ge honari ba community gi lead tori ba mai elite kharana tawraga angang sing na misguide to bidana tawrai ba sectarian ba ideology da chat pa kanguna moi skum masina dum sandok na dum tawrakani is part of politics so this rumor don't believe it I am perfectly all right a non-event turned into an event and spread on social media. And some people will thrive on that, and our legal team is looking into it. Already we're in touch with the cybercrime branch here. We will take the necessary actions, but in the meantime, thank you so much for your concerns. I am perfectly okay. I am just having a meeting with the delegates here. So I just take a break because they started saying that there are a lot of messages coming in. So I'm perfectly all right. Thank you for your concerns. Please do not believe in these kind of rumors. Get ready as the fight becomes more intense for the dignity of Manipur and for our well-being, for our own historical sense of responsibility as perform it. I expect more such kind of false rumors to come up, and let's get ready for that. But we shall overcome and we will win and defeat these inimical forces of our people and our state. Thank you so much.